Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for gathering here today to discuss a topic that is incredibly important for our overall health and well-being, nerve health. Our nervous system is the body's communication network, responsible for transmitting signals between the brain, spinal cord, and the rest of the body. When our nerves are damaged or not functioning optimally, it can lead to pain, numbness, weakness, and even more severe conditions like neuropathy. The good news is that we can support and repair our nerves through proper nutrition. And one of the easiest ways to do this is by incorporating nerve-healthy drinks into our daily routine. Today, I'll be sharing with you the top drinks that can help repair nerves and prevent nerve damage. These beverages are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that nourish the nervous system, promote nerve regeneration, and protect against further damage. Let's dive in. 1. Green tea. The antioxidant powerhouse green tea is one of the most well-known health drinks. And for good reason. It's rich in antioxidants called catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate EGCG, which have been shown to protect nerve cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Oxidative stress is a major contributor to nerve damage, as it leads to the destruction of nerve cells and their protective myelin sheath. Green tea also contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and reduces stress. Chronic stress can exacerbate nerve damage, so managing stress levels is crucial for nerve health. Drinking 2-3 cups of green tea daily can help protect your nerves, improve brain function, and support overall nervous system health. 2. Turmeric golden milk. The anti-inflammatory elixir turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has been shown to reduce inflammation in the nervous system and promote nerve regeneration. Inflammation is a key factor in nerve damage, so reducing it is essential for maintaining healthy nerves. Golden milk, a warm beverage made with turmeric, milk, or a plant-based alternative like almond or coconut milk, and a touch of honey, is a delicious way to incorporate turmeric into your diet. Adding black pepper to the mix enhances the absorption of curcumin, making it even more effective. Drinking golden milk before bed can also help you relax and improve sleep quality, which is vital for nerve repair. 3. Beetroot juice. The nitric oxide booster beetroot juice is a powerhouse of nutrients that support nerve health. It's high in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that improves blood flow and oxygen delivery to nerves. Proper blood flow is essential for nerve repair and function, as it ensures that nerves receive the nutrients and oxygen they need to thrive. Beetroot juice is also rich in antioxidants like betalains, which protect nerve cells from oxidative damage. Additionally, it contains folate, a B vitamin that plays a key role in nerve repair and the production of myelin, the protective sheath around nerves. Drinking a glass of beetroot juice daily can help improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and support nerve regeneration. 4. Aloe vera juice. The healing tonic aloe vera is well known for its soothing and healing properties, particularly for the skin and digestive system. However, it's also incredibly beneficial for nerve health. Aloe vera juice is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and promote nerve repair. One of the key compounds in aloe vera, asamanin, has been shown to stimulate the growth and repair of nerve cells. Aloe vera also contains magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in nerve function and relaxation. Drinking aloe vera juice regularly can help soothe irritated nerves, reduce pain, and support overall nervous system health. 5. Coconut water. The electrolyte replenisher coconut water is a natural source of electrolytes like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which are essential for proper nerve function. Electrolytes help transmit electrical signals between nerve cells, ensuring smooth communication throughout the nervous system. Magnesium, in particular, is vital for nerve health, as it helps relax nerves and muscles, reducing the risk of nerve overstimulation and damage. Coconut water is also hydrating and low in calories, making it a great alternative to sugary sports drinks. Drinking coconut water after exercise or throughout the day can help replenish electrolytes and keep your nerves functioning optimally. 6. Bone broth. The nutrient-dense healer bone broth is a nutrient-rich drink made by simmering animal bones and connective tissue for an extended period. It's packed with collagen, amino acids, and minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which are essential for nerve health. The amino acids in bone broth, such as glycine and proline, have anti-inflammatory properties and support the repair of nerve tissue. Collagen, the main protein in bone broth, helps strengthen the protective myelin sheath around nerves. Drinking a warm cup of bone broth daily can provide your body with the building blocks it needs to repair and maintain healthy nerves. 7. Spinach and kale smoothie. The vitamin-rich boost leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with vitamins and minerals that support nerve health. They're particularly high in B vitamins, including folate, B6, and B12, which are essential for nerve repair and the production of neurotransmitters. A deficiency in these vitamins can lead to nerve damage and conditions like peripheral neuropathy. Spinach and kale are also rich in magnesium and antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and protect nerve cells from oxidative stress. Blending these greens into a smoothie with fruits like bananas, berries, and a splash of almond milk creates a delicious and nutrient-dense drink that supports nerve health. Adding a tablespoon of flax seeds or chia seeds can provide omega-3 fatty acids, which further reduce inflammation and promote nerve regeneration. 8. Ginger and lemon tea. The detoxifying duo ginger and lemon are a dynamic duo when it comes to supporting nerve health. Ginger is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that helps reduce nerve pain and inflammation. It also improves circulation, ensuring that nerves receive adequate oxygen and nutrients. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects nerve cells from oxidative damage. It also aids in detoxification, helping the body eliminate toxins that can contribute to nerve damage. Combining fresh ginger and lemon in a warm tea creates a soothing and healing drink that can be enjoyed daily to support nerve health. 9. Walnut and almond milk. The omega-3 powerhouse nuts like walnuts and almonds are excellent sources of healthy fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for nerve health. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, protect nerve cells, and support the repair of the myelin sheath. Walnut and almond milk are delicious dairy-free alternatives that provide these benefits in a convenient liquid form. You can make your own nut milk at home by blending soaked walnuts or almonds with water and straining the mixture. Adding a touch of honey or cinnamon enhances the flavor and provides additional health benefits. Drinking walnut or almond milk regularly can help nourish your nerves and prevent damage. 10. Chamomile tea, the calming brew last, but certainly not least, chamomile tea is a gentle yet effective drink for nerve health. Chamomile has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for anxiety, stress, and insomnia, all of which can negatively impact nerve health. Chronic stress and poor sleep can exacerbate nerve damage, so managing these factors is crucial. Chamomile contains apigenin, an antioxidant that binds to receptors in the brain, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe irritated nerves. Drinking a cup of chamomile tea before bed can help you relax, improve sleep quality, and support overall nerve health. Conclusion: a holistic approach to nerve health incorporating these drinks into your daily routine is a simple and effective way to support nerve health, repair damage, and prevent future issues. However, it's important to remember that nerve health is not just about what you drink, it's about adopting a holistic approach that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep. If you're experiencing symptoms of nerve damage, such as tingling, numbness, or pain, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan. These drinks can complement medical treatments and provide additional support for your nervous system. Thank you for your attention today. I hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. Let's raise a glass to our nerve health and take proactive steps to protect and nourish our nervous system. Cheers!